Hi contrasters, I'm Saurabh. In this lesson, we'll be doing a fresh installation of Team Server on a Windows Server 2012 machine. The Team Server is a central component from which you can manage all your vulnerabilities, specify which vulnerability categories you want to detect, and also get a snapshot of how your application security looks like. As you'll see, installing the Team Server is very quick and we'll have it up and running in no time. The Team Server is comprised of mainly three modules. Those are the web application, which is a team server, a Tomcat instance to deploy the team server, and an embedded MySQL database to store all the information we collect. The installer will take care of installing and configuring all three of these components. I will be installing this team server on a Windows Server 2012 machine today. We also offer a Linux version of the team server if that works better for you. If you're going to be installing a team server on a VM, such as I'm going to do today, there's a few things to keep in mind. Make sure the VM has at least 4 GB of RAM assigned to it, preferably 8 GB. Also, make sure you have sufficient space on your hard drive. Depending on how many agents you plan to deploy, we'll need to store quite a bit of information and that might take up some space. As a general guideline, if you plan to have 1 to 3 agents, make sure you have up to 30 GB of space available. If you plan to have around 30 agents or more, please make sure you have between 50 to 100 GB of space available. We probably won't use that much space, but it's better to be on the safe side.